What's going on? It's your boy TK here, back with another video. It's VW day today. Y'all see these two bugs right here, but not just about these bugs, it's about this bus right here. Y'all are in for a special treat today. Do a ride along. I'm gonna introduce my buddy. We're gonna get it on and cracking. Check it out. All right, everybody, I'm gonna introduce it to my buddy Josh Patterson.
Josh Patterson.
And this is his
1967 VW double cab.
Hey, you just answered that question for me. Hey man, what got you into liking VWs, man, especially the bus, man? And plus, this is my first time filming a VW bus ever. What got you into it?
I bought my first VW when I was 12 years old for $250 in mowing money, and then started learning what they were, and I seen this one when I was 16 years old and decided I had to have it. Bought it for 1,200 bucks. Sat in Dad's garage for 22 years, and here I am.
And there you go, man. And you know what? Hey, whatever you gotta do to get what you want, you gotta start somewhere. But hey, it's here. You driving and you enjoying it.
Truck, but we can also drop the bed.
That's neat right there. That's some innovative stuff right there.
We
Convenient.
can turn it into a flatbed.
Yep. Y'all see it right there. This is back in the day. This is back in '67.
Yep. Ford claimed they had the first 3-door truck.
Yeah, right.
Here we are in '67.
VW was already on top of
right
it.
Here.
VW is already on top of it. Look at that. That's the third door. You see it's hollow right there. Man, just like a wall, but still. Come on now.
That's how we do.
Get with it. Hey Josh, what engine is in this VW bus, man?
So this is a little bit of a souped up. It's a 2-liter. It's got dual Delordos. It's got a little mini stroke, mini cam. It's probably pushing about 100 horsepower, which is pretty decent for a VW. It's got a freeway flyer rear end. It's still got the reduction boxes on the outer ends, so
okay,
we can run about 90, but that's comfortably about what you're going to want to do in one of these.
Okay, and that's reasonable.
Yeah.
All right. Pretty basic, you know, stripped down interior that you got right here.
Yep, still got a little work to do. Not supposed to be holes there, but they're there.
Yeah.
We work past them.
Well, it's a work in progress, so.
Work in progress.
Yeah, but you're coming along with it, though.
Got the patches done. You just got to put them in.
Alrighty. VW day, okay? We're gonna do some VW stuff today. Not only we just got the bus in the middle, we got two VW Beetles, the old school VW Beetles. I don't know, maybe it's just a VW day for real. But we're gonna enjoy this beautiful day and do some VW stuff. Being in a VW Hey Josh, man, that was wild. That was wild. For this bus to get up like that, over 80 mile an hour, and it was coasting, flowing like it was nothing.
You got the money, you can make it happen.
Well, touche, touche, anything possible. But you know what? That's everybody. Like, share, subscribe to my YouTube channel, TK Turbo. I'm out.